Hi, everyone. I'm Miss Teacher Mary, and I'm super excited to learn English with you. This is where we make learning English super fun, super simple, and super effective. If you're just starting out or want to get even better, you're in the right place. Here's what we'll do together. Super easy English lessons. We make learning simple and clear. Awesome mini stories and short series. Learn English through exciting adventures. Cool grammar tips and new words. Discover how English works and learn many new words. Real life conversations. Practice English for real situations. Talking to friends, family, and more. Fun pronunciation games. Learn to say words the right way. Exciting quizzes, and much more. Test your brain and have lots of fun while learning. This channel is perfect for total beginners. Start your English journey with a big smile. Kids of all ages, fun and easy lessons made just for you. And anyone who wants to speak English clearly and feel confident. Let's learn together. Hit that subscribe button and start your amazing English journey with Miss Teacher Mary. So, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram, TikTok, and all my social media channels. Deal?